What is mindfulness? I could give you a textbook definition, like present moment awareness with acceptance, but that might not communicate how powerful mindfulness really is. We could say that mindfulness is loving awareness. We could say it's the gift of awakening. Mindfulness is the revealing of beautiful possibilities, of experiencing profound compassion, of savoring the preciousness of your existence. It's the possibility of softening the brutality of the untrained mind. Of revealing the freedom already available to you. Mindfulness is being the master of your own attention. This is pretty important because your life ends up being what you pay attention to. It's being present in your relationships and the possibility of loving more deeply. Mindfulness is remembering. It's remembering to be attentive to what matters right now. Mindfulness is beginning again. It's seeing with new eyes. Mindfulness is about nurturing the seeds of your potential. It's the realization that you are already okay. It's being more aware of the beauty around you. It's being able to hold the pain and to see the joy at the same time. And there's a paradox here, because if you're thinking mindfulness is a way to fix yourself in some way, what you might learn is that you're not actually broken. Does this sound too good to be true, like some kind of panacea? It's not a panacea, but it is something that, with practice, millions of people have found to be profoundly transformative. Walt Whitman wrote, "To me, every hour of the day and night is an unspeakably perfect miracle." That's the potential of mindfulness. Are you intrigued? Let's practice together and see where this can take us.